English, Grade 7, Tape Script 9.25.1.
I don't like Cambodia. I want to go back to England.
Really? Why? I love it here.
It's not fair. In England, I can sleep late. Here in Cambodia, I have to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. 6 o'clock? It's really early.
You have to get up for school in England too, Tom.
Yes, but in England, I don't have to get up until 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is much better than 6 o'clock. And I hate the school uniform here. Long trousers. Yuck. I hate long trousers, and I don't want to wear them every day. It's not fair.
You have to wear long trousers in England too, Tom.
Yeah, but it's not hot in England. It's hot here in Cambodia. And you know what? I have to walk for 30 minutes to get to school. 30 minutes of walking. It's not fair. Who wants to walk for half an hour in the morning?
You have to walk to school in England as well.
But in England, I live close to school. And you know what? I hate tidying my room.
Tom, you have to tidy your room in Cambodia and in England.
Yeah, but it's not fair.
Tom, when we're in England, you say you don't like England. And when we're in Cambodia, you say you don't like Cambodia. And I know you really love Cambodia. Are you missing England, Tom? Do you miss home?
Yeah, maybe.
Tape Script 9.25.2.
Take the dog for a walk. Do I have to? Take the dog for a walk. I don't want to. Take the dog for a walk. Do it now, do it soon. Or you go to your room where you stay until noon. Yes, you have to.
Tape Script 9.25.3.
Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm 14 years old and I'm from America. I go to a special school. It's called a summer school. It's in the forest. We camp for 6 weeks. We don't see our moms and dads until the last day. Lots of kids go to summer school in America. We don't have to wear our school uniform. We wear our normal clothes. Oh, but we do have to wear a green t-shirt. We have to get up early at 6 a.m. Then we have breakfast. You have to have a big breakfast. There's lots to do before lunch. Today, we are making toys. I have to make my little sister a birthday present. It's her birthday tomorrow. After lunch, we have swimming lessons. You have to wear a swimming costume. You can't swim in your clothes. After our swimming lessons, my group has to help make dinner. There are a lot of hungry kids at the end of the day here at summer school.
Tape Script 9.25.4.
Okay, Dara, this is a very important job I'm giving you. You have to look after my animals while I am away. Looking after animals is hard.
I know. I'm good at looking after animals. Tell me what I have to do.
Okay, you have to start work at 5 a.m.
5 a.m.? You mean 5 in the morning?
Yes, animals wake up early. You have to start at 5 a.m.
Okay, fine. 5 a.m. What do I have to do first?
The first thing you have to do is sing to the cat. You have to sing to the cat at 5 a.m. every morning or she feels sad.
You want me to sing to the cat? Really?
This is a very important job, Dara. You have to.
Okay. I understand. First, I have to sing to the cat. What do I have to do next?
Next, you have to change the bird's nappy.
So, Paul, please don't tell me the bird wears a nappy.
Of course. The bird wears a nappy, Dara. You have to change it every day.
Okay. I have to change the bird's nappy. What do I have to do then?
Oh, That's very important. It's the last thing. You have to get the dog dressed.
I have to what? I have to get the dog dressed?
Oh, yes, you have to get the dog dressed for breakfast. It isn't happy having breakfast without clothes on. Dara, where are you going?
I think I have to find another job.
Oh no! He believes you, so Paul. Tape script 9.25.5.
Okay, can you do this job? First question. Are you nice?
Yes, I think I'm nice.
Good. Next question. Are you always on time? I mean, are you ever late?
Yes, I'm always on time.
This is an important question. Do you like study?
Oh, yes, I love studying.
Great. Okay. This is the last question. It's the most important question.
Okay.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can. We're speaking English right now.
Yes, we are. Congratulations. You've got the job.
That's good. What is the job?
An English teacher.
Oh,
What?
I'm already an English teacher.
Oh,